Hello, it's Alexis, Multihull Company. We're in Fort Lauderdale today. We're walking through a Bali 4.1 LAST HURRAH. Just arrived here in Lauderdale. It's a 2020 owner version. It's better than new. It's in fantastic shape. It's ready to go. Sitting here on at a dock in on the New River. It has a Gennaker here, as you can see, a self-tacking jib, and a leisure furl in-boom furling mainsail. There's a very large, or very custom bimini and enclosure there that protects the helm station. Cockpit area with the patented swinging sliding door in the back there. Dinghy, rib dinghy there with a 10 horsepower 4-stroke engine. You can see there that the front window opens, slides up and down. There's several positions in which you can open it. It's got full cushions here for the forward cockpit seating area, forward tramp area. There are two tables that fit right in that well there. There's a large lazarette here that holds the generator, 9 kVA, and a big water tank on this side. There are photos of that. Here's a view from the exterior of this fabulous salon, dining table, galley, chart table, all up here. Let's take a quick walk up to the helm station. There's an electric winch right here for hoisting the main, running both sheets. I meant Genoa sheets and Screecher sheets. The helm station, there's a big plotter there. There's another plotter at the lower chart table. An autopilot control there as well. The boat is equipped with two Yanmar 40 horsepower engines. These are the upgraded engines. They have about 600 hours on them. There's some solar, and there's that leisure furl boom. Big sofa here with a large, again, a large lazarette beneath it. This vast salon, galley, dining area has these lateral windows here that open and close, so when the weather gets wet, you can close those two windows. That one's open, and you can close this sliding back door so that it closes this area entirely and keeps you dry. Moving forward, we got a chart table to starboard. Smaller plotter here, a stereo, fusion stereo. Another Raymarine multi, and then a VHF radio. The generator remote is right here, and a Victron charge controller. This boat's got a charger and an inverter, of course. This boat is wired in 110 volt 60 hertz US standard, and 12 volt. There's the full-sized front opening fridge freezer. Big dining table, can seat 8 easily. And then the galley is over here to port. Got a 3-burner top here, cooktop, and then a stove beneath it. Sink, double sink, stainless steel. There's that opening window. Look at the views out here. The airflow, of course, through here is fantastic. Okay, let's head down to the port owner's suite. Looking aft, we've got a queen-sized bunk there with island bed, access from both sides. A big panoramic window that brings in a lot of light. There's a curtain over that. Here's a smart TV over here that rotates on a bracket. Here is a desk area with some storage beneath it. The bathroom is forward. Just wanted to show you this door that this privacy door here that closes off the owner's suite. And the bathroom forward with a separate shower stall, little bench here, 2 portholes, nice finishes, clean and modern. There's a big storage area there. Okay, back up the companionway on the port side. We're going to go check out the starboard side here. There's more storage here, by the way, that I didn't point out. The photographs detail all of that. So this is the starboard side, and we've got a guest cabin aft. Again, we've got a queen with island walk around either side here. Big window, a couple of portholes for natural ventilation. This boat is equipped with full aircon. It's got 4 compressors, 1 in each cabin. Independent compressors, 1 in each cabin and 1 in the salon. Here's the forward starboard bunk. And to starboard there is a bathroom with, again, a shower stall. Separate shower stall. So as you can see, this is a very, very clean boat. It's been lightly used by its owners, who picked it up in France at the Catana-Bali factory. They sailed around the Mediterranean for a few months, debugging the boat, and then they put it on a ship in Genoa, Italy, and it was shipped to West Palm Beach. And they picked it up there, sailed up to the Chesapeake and back down to Florida. So they've put a few miles on it, but just enough to make it perfect, really. It's in great running condition, and everything's working and ready to go. Thanks for the visit. Give us a call. The boat's in Fort Lauderdale. It is U.S. registered. It's U.S. duty paid. And it's a 110 boat. Cheers.